Affiliate marketing can be a passive way to earn income as long as you apply some guidelines to who you affiliate with. The income may be passive or quite active. Keep in mind, if you do not have the right affiliate marketing system in place, affiliate marketing will not make you rich overnight. In this video, I will look at some powerful tips that move the needle for your business. Let's jump right in. Create a short ebook and post it on document sharing sites. By doing this, you can show off your expertise, but you can also attract visitors and prospective buyers who are looking for similar information to your site. Be sure to include a number of links to your site inside the document. Place keywords in the website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, ask if cookies are used to track sales and link customers back to the original referrer. Cookie tracking helps to track individual visitors that follow a link from you to the affiliate site. If they return to the affiliate site again at a later time to make purchases, you can still receive a commission. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the article headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is reading your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well-placed your advertisements. Build the readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Keep searching for high commissions. A company that only pays a tiny percentage is much less likely to value your customer or reader base. Look out for those that offer a commission in at least the double-digit percentage range. These companies are more likely to respect their clients, and by default, yours. You can up your productivity in affiliate marketing by simply clearing out the clutter from your mind and from your desk. Ensure that you're only focusing on affiliate marketing by making sure your desktop is free and clean, and also tidy up a bit in your immediate line of sight. Multiple studies show that a cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. Do not agree to any kind of an exclusivity agreement. It will eliminate your ability to jump on new opportunities that may prove to be more profitable to you. There are several affiliates that do not have this restriction, so if you come across one that does, move on to the next. Learn how to create an ebook about your affiliate marketing product to add value to your product and build your circle of potential customers. It's easy to create an ebook, and you can offer it to potential clients in exchange for their names and email addresses. In this way, you will build a list of people who have expressed an interest in your product and will be happy to hear more about it. Being patient is a very important skill that is very useful. Affiliate revenue is known to grow steadily over time. Don't think you are going to make money right from the get-go, or get discouraged when that is not the result. Make sure that you have referral links available so that people can see your writing more often. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include a home link on every page of your website. This is very important if you have many pages on your website because it can be very easy for visitors to get lost. A simple home link can direct visitors back to your home page. Advertising only products you know are legitimate is a must. Customers generally don't come back to visit sites they believe are advertising illegitimate products. By advertising products or services that are legit, visitors will be more likely to tell others about your website, which will generate more traffic for you. One of the best things that you can do if you want to learn about affiliate marketing is to take a class in a nearby college on this topic. This will help you to gain an understanding of what is necessary to have success in this field and will allow you to maximize your exposure as well. If you work full-time, Make sure that you set an hour or two at night to devote specifically towards affiliate marketing. Working while at your organization is very tough, and will reduce the quality that you put into your work. Give 100% of your attention towards the task at hand for optimal results. As you have seen, there are many ways to use affiliate marketing to your advantage. It can be highly effective when the right choices are made and the right affiliates are gathered. It is not difficult to get started, and before long you will see the results from the gathered affiliates. I have a free ebook which you can download instantly, on how I make $3,597 per month with affiliate marketing. This ebook shows you practical ways to generate massive numbers of hungry buyers to your affiliate link. The best part is that these are all free methods. I have included the link in the description below. Also, let me know your favorite tip in this video. I read all comments and respond whenever necessary. And lastly but not least, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I publish new videos with similar content. See you in the next video. Cheers.